Hello friends, welcome back to Biology by Sravanti. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Welcome back to Biology by Sravanti. Today we are going to discuss about the lysosome under the eukaryotic cell. So lysosome types and lysosome functions we are going to discuss in this topic. So before going into topic, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let us go into the topic. So lysosome was first discovered by Christian D. Due in the year 1955, mainly in the liver cell. These lysosomes are found in all eukaryotic cells except some like fungi, protista and mature mammalian RBC cell. And these are the membrane bonded vesicle containing the hydrolytic enzyme. So single wall membrane is surrounded by the lysosome. The enzyme in the lysosomes are used by eukaryotic cell to digest the macromolecules. That means this lysosome mainly helps or contains the hydrolytic enzyme which help in the digestion of the food material. Okay. So the list of lysosome enzymes include all types of hydrolysis like amylase, protease and lipase. So these are the enzymes which help in breakdown of the food material or hydrolyzes the food material which have entered the lysosome. So these enzymes are inactive in state and are activated when only the lysosome come in contact with another particular organelle to form a hybrid structure. That means always they will be inactive when something entered into it. That means, for example, if the food entered inside, so this lysosome gets activated to digest that food material. After the action of enzyme is over, the lysosome is reformed and reused. Okay? So the lysosomes are thus formed in a various structural forms, are carried out the various function for the cell. Other than the breakdown of the food material, once the action is completed, it is again reformed and it is again reused. So these are the some of the functions of the lysosome. So coming for the types of lysosome, that means the lysosome show the polymorphic in nature. So lysosome show the polymorphic nature. That means we can classify the lysosomes as a primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, tertiary lysosome or residual body, and fourth one autophagic vacuole, that is nothing but autophagosomes or autolysosome. So first let us discuss about the function of the primary, secondary and tertiary and autovesicle. Okay. So coming for the primary lysosome. So primary lysosomes which are pinched off from the Golgi apparatus. So in previous topic we have discussed how these Golgi apparatus are pinched or pinched out of the lysosomes, comes out of the cisternae of the Golgi apparatus. Okay. So this pinched part which is coming from the Golgi apparatus, we termed it as the primary lysosome, and the primary lysosomes are small in size and they have inactive hydrolytic enzymes. So is under inactive hydrolytic enzymes present. So whenever the food particles enter inside the primary lysosome, whenever the food particle enter into the cell, so this primary lysosome gets attached with the primary lysosome gets attached with the food particles, and that we termed it as the secondary lysosome. So the secondary lysosome consists of the active hydrolytic enzyme. So these active hydrolytic enzyme, now what they do, they digest the food material which has entered into the secondary lysosome because of the active hydrolytic enzyme. So they are also called as heterophagosomes or digestive vacuole. The secondary lysosome is formed by the fission of food containing phagosome with the lysosome. So digestion occurs and digested food pass out into the or passed out or absorbed out by the cell. So this is about the secondary lysosome. So primary lysosome, सेकेंडरी लाइसोसोम, प्राइमरी लाइसोसोम में इनएक्टिव रहता है, जस्ट इट गो एंड अटैच टू द फूड पार्टिकल. एंड सेकेंडरी लाइसोसोम, व्हाट ही डूज, इट अब्सॉर्ब्स द फूड मटेरियल विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एक्टिव hydrolytic enzyme. So whatever food material which is undigested, it is taken up by the residual, or it will be termed as the residual body. So that is nothing but the residual body or tertiary lysosome. So lysosomes in which only indigestible food materials have been left. So undigestible food material जो भी left हो गए, now the lysosome get converted into the residual body. It carries the undigested food and takes near the outer membrane, plasma membrane side, and it is thrown out of the body. So this is a mechanism how the food material is digested. So here you can see in the picture that the Golgi apparatus, ठीक है. So the Golgi apparatus से हमको lysosome कैसे pinched off हो गई, that one we call it as the primary lysosome. From the primary lysosome, the hydrolytic enzyme will be inactive, then it is taken up the food material, and the primary lysosome when the food particle enter, it get converted into the secondary lysosome, where the hydrolytic enzymes of food gets absorbed, and undigested food is carried by the residual body. From there exocytosis takes place, that means it releases out of the plasma membrane. So this is a mechanism we term types on functions of the food of the lysosome. So next coming for the another fourth one, autophagic vessel. So this autophagic vacuole or autophagic vessel, that means the lysosome which bring about the digestion of cells of own organic material like damage of cell organelle. For example, mitochondria. Whether the mitochondria because of some reasons it get old off and it gets damaged. So such type of mitochondria is taken away, that is absorbed by the लाइसोसोम. लाइक सेकेंडरी लाइसोसोम का जो भी फंक्शन है हाइड्रोलाइटिक एंजाइम है, दैट इज टेकन अप बाय द ऑटोफेजिक वैक्यूल. सो दैट्स वे वी कॉल इट एज द suicidal bag. That means it eats away own cell organelles. If at all this complete cell is also damaged, that is also taken or absorbed by the or breakdown by the autophagic vacuole. So that's why we call it as the suicidal or suicide bags. And an autophagic vessel essentially consists of lysosome fused with a membrane-bonded whole cell organelles or organic molecules to be recycled. So all these are digested, break down or recycled with the help of the autophagosome. So this is the 4 types of the lysosome. Next coming for the lysosome bring about intracellular digestion as well as the extracellular digestion. That means coming for the functions, it does the intracellular digestion and also extracellular digestion. So intracellular digestion is brought about by the autophagic vesicles or secondary lysosomes which contain the foreign material brought in the process like phagocytosis. For example, the food vacuole in the amoeba and macrophages in the human blood that are engulfed and destroyed by the harmful microbes that enter the body. Okay, so this is the intracellular. Whatever digestion is taken place inside the cell, we call it as the intracellular digestion. Coming for the extracellular digestion. So extracellular digestion is brought about by release of lysosome enzyme outside the cell. Outside the cell, the lysosomal enzyme जो भी है, so it is done outside the cell. For example, acrosome, a cap-like structure in a human sperm, is modified lysosome which contain a vacuole enzyme like hydrolydase. Okay, these enzymes bring about fertilization by dissolving the protective layer of the ovum. So ovum का protective layer is destroyed with the help of this acrosome of the sperm cell. Okay, so that is the extracellular digestion. So during the metamorphosis, the process found in many organisms, the lysosomal enzyme help in reusing the tissue of redundant organs. Okay, so metamorphism का time पे भी the lysosomes enzymes are reused and they also help in destruction of malignant cell. ठीक है, लाइक टी लिम्फोसाइट सेल को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने में भी हेल्प करता है. दैट मैलिगेंट सेल मीन्स नथिंग बट कैंसरस सेल्स, वी कॉल इट एज द मैलिगेंट सेल. तो सो द रिमूवल ऑफ द मैलिगेंट सेल में भी हेल्प करता है लाइसोसोम. सो दिस इज अबाउट द लाइसोसोम. इफ यू लाइक माई टॉपिक, प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. थैंक यू.